During his lifetime, a man dons many hats. That of a father, a son, a brother, a friend, many more. But the one hat that separates him from the crowd is what he is to himself. As Amber Riley once said, if you're being true to yourself, you'll always find happiness. And these lines come straight from the heart. Welcome to the Love, Laugh, Live show. I'm your host, Mandira Bedi, and all excited to welcome today's guest. Our guest for today is a man who literally dons many hats with multiple tricks in them. He started his journey from YouTube, but now has taken the nation by storm with his comic timing and multiple characters. He's a musician, an actor, an influencer, a writer, basically a one-man army. Please welcome the very talented next-gen superstar and the talk of the town, Bhuvan Bam. Whoa!
That's one of the best introductions I've heard about myself, and I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you. You deserve all these words and many, many, many more. First up, if you were to get 1 rupee for every time your surname was pronounced wrong, you'd be a very rich man, right? Very, very rich man. What do they call you? What do they call you?
I would have bought this building, the entire building.
So what is the most commonly mispronounced surname?
So firstly, they don't know. They think that it's a stage name.
Aha.
Yeah, during college admissions, when I was going to the campuses, they used to ask me, "What's your surname?" And I should say BAM. And they're like, "Aage?" Like full stop. They're like, "What is this? Is this a made-up name or what?"
Right.
But then people think it's Bum. The people outside of India think it's BAM.
Bam.
Yeah. जो मेरे घर पे बिजली का बिल आता है, the electricity bill, it says boom.
Ooh, perfect.
So I don't know what's the matter, but yeah, wherever I go, I tell people that it's BAM, B-A-M.
I said it correctly.
Yes, you did. So happy.
Well, in some sense, balm. You should say balm. I soothe people's, nerves.
The entire school, my entire journey in school was people teasing me, bullying me, saying Jandu Bam, Jandu Bam, Jandu Bam. So my elder brother, he was 4 years elder to me, and we were in the same school. So I used to cry. I used to tell him कि Jandu Bam बोल रहे हैं मेरे को. And he gave me an answer, and that shut everyone up. So next time anyone used to say Jandu Bam, then I used to say Lagalu. Lag jao.
Nice
So I think that was the final nail in the coffin. But
very good. Very
yeah, it's
good.
Bam.
It's balm, and it keeps people not just calm, but keeps people laughing. But now your project Dindora is breaking the internet.
Yeah.
Come on, tell us about that.
It's so close to my heart. I started conceptualizing it in 2017, and the writing began in the next year. So we've been writing, and the lockdown came. So we had shot for 6 days, but then there was the first Janta lockdown, and then we resumed shoot like 7-8 months later. Till then I had gained weight. So only
थोड़ा
me.
सा continuity jump हो
Yes,
गया.
बहुत ज़्यादा. So it's just me and my team who know कि क्या फर्क है. वरना हमने जितना भी focus group में दिखाया है, the people we have shown.
वैसे पता
Yeah,
नहीं
people haven't noticed, and yeah, it's been a wonderful journey. It's very easy to shoot like this, like I shoot in my house.
Yes.
It's just the dialogue, the concept that matters. But here, the entire production matters because you're taking that one step ahead.
Yes.
You're telling people, yeah, I am taking this step. Please accept us. And I guess after watching the trailer, people have kind of accepted it.
Being a one-man show and just doing it all yourself, like you're saying, holding your own camera or setting up your own camera and shooting for yourself, and then having a whole unit in front of you. What did that feel like? And this is all stuff that's come out of my brain, right?
Yeah. It's like till the 30th.
My creations.
We shot for 41 days. Till the 28th, 29th day, the crew, the people on set, they didn't know what we were doing. They used to ask me, my makeup team used to ask me, सर ये क्या बना रहे हैं हम? मैं भाई 30 दिन हो गए अभी तुम्हें समझ नहीं आए. कह रहा नहीं, because if there are 2 characters sitting, so one character delivers a dialogue, then I go, I change, I come back again, I become this, then I go, I come back and become this again.
Yes.
So there were 8 to 9 changes every day, and we did this for 41 days continuously. and people after the trailer they realized that oh, we've shot this, so this is what we were shooting.
Because you had it all
Yeah, it's
mapped
all,
out in your head.
It's all in the
आपको
head.
पता था कि क्या करना है क्या.
Yes.
But the person sitting outside or watching
Yeah,
from the outside, understandably, so never got it.
So there was no shoot going on when I was in the vanity, when I was changing.
Because you are all the characters.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. And they're
yes.
sitting and they're chilling, they're talking among themselves. Ki, is this the right kind of a shoot? What are we shooting? Because we are not getting anything.
Right.
We're not understanding anything. But then after the trailer went out, then I started getting messages. अच्छा ये shoot कर रहे थे सर हम. And I'm like, yeah.
क्या बात है. So nice. And what are your expectations from it?
Nothing.
No?
Nothing. My one expectation, the major expectation was, please accept this. Please accept this.
People love you and accept you. You have
I
a
know.
following that's crazy.
I
so
know.
why will they not accept it when you're taking something that you've created to the next level?
I see, we have made this with utmost honesty, and we never wanted to go overboard with our vision. We wanted it to be like a one notch above what we usually do, but we didn't want to look as if we're doing something.
You didn't want to make a lagan.
Yeah, over ambitious.
Yes.
कि ये तो अरे ये तो क्या try कर लिया ये तो बस की नहीं. That scares me a lot. So that's why it's a baby step. And for the people who are watching it for the first time, they might not even know कि what this is about. But yeah, people who have watched me before, जिन्होंने यहाँ तक देखा है बस, for them it's a kind of a treat to see a character in full
Nice.
length.
Nice. And then there's this one photograph that's been sort of drawing a lot of curiosity. You and Shraddha Kapoor.
Yeah.
What is that about? Are you not at liberty to say?
Exactly, I think so. I think so. But it's like a music video.
अच्छा वो
Yeah.
बता दिया. ये नहीं कि कुछ ऐसा कुछ हमें जानना चाहिए या पापराज़ी को जानना चाहिए ऐसा
कुछ भी नहीं.
अच्छा, very nice.
Yeah.
So guys, the fun train has left the station and we have a lot more in store. When we come back, we'll explore the details of Bhuvan's years-long relationship and more. Stay tuned on the Love Laugh Live show only on the Times Network. A 9-year-long relationship you managed to keep under wraps.
Yeah, can you imagine? Even her parents don't know.
She knows, right?
She knows, yes. Arey, haan, she knows, she knows. In the lockdown, there have been days when I've skipped a day. I slept on a Tuesday, I woke up on Thursday.
No. Welcome back to the talk show of the season, the Love Laugh Live show. I'm Mandira Bedi and I'm here with the YouTube sensation Bhuvan Bam, ready to share some love secrets. Well, now a couple of years back, you said you were in a 9-year-long relationship.
Yeah.
So currently, are you in an 11-year-long relationship?
Yes.
Are you at liberty to say anything more than yes?
No,
Tell
no,
us
I'm-
some more.
I mean, I like to keep it as private as possible.
9 years, I mean, people know you, people follow you, people want to know more about you. Are you saying that a 9-year-long relationship you managed to keep under wraps?
Yeah, can you imagine? Even her parents don't know.
All right, then you definitely can't say anything
Yeah,
right
exactly,
now.
exactly. I can't even mention.
Oh, she who shall not be named.
Yes, yes. ये मेरी जिंदगी की Voldemort वही है.
Wow, that's something else. That is another. Do you know something? You can make that like in the many list of things you do and your many qualities. That's another one.
Yeah.
To be able to keep it going
Only
for so long.
A few of my friends know. My
Okay.
brother knows.
Yeah.
My mom and my father knew.
She knows, right?
She knows. Yes. Arey, haan, she knows. She knows.
Okay, so a few people know. Your family knows, and
Yeah,
oh wow. And matlab, I'm just asking. You don't have to say like if you don't want to say. Intentions are to keep it going and
Yeah,
to
yeah.
have her
of course,
in your.
Of course, yes.
So, Bhuvan, tell me, what are the qualities that you look for in your Jeevan Sathi?
I think if I speak for myself, I have been very lucky because she's not from this field. I mean,
Luckiest.
है ना?
That's the way to be, yes.
She's from a completely different field, and she never gets what I do, but she's been there always. मतलब when there are ups and downs, she knows that she can't literally get what I'm going through, but she knows how to get me straight. She knows how to keep me sane. That's the best thing.
Wow.
One should know, and I hope I'm that kind of guy who equally understands her.
Does she say the same thing about you? If I asked, if I met her and you shared with me who she was, obviously off cameras, and she'd say the same about you?
I hope so.
Okay, but so you think she has all the qualities that a Jeevan Sathi should have for you in terms of someone who'd be there for the long haul?
Yeah, I mean, till now we haven't been there where we can completely say that this is, because we're still discovering each other, right?
Wow, in 9 years you haven't discovered each other. You still
because
that's amazing.
we're meeting chup chup ke. We can't let anyone know that we are meeting.
Right.
So that's to live together in a stretch, that's never happened.
Right.
The maximum we have stayed together is a day.
Okay.
That's it. And
That's
we are
amazing.
together since school.
This is the secret of a long happy relationship. You just you continue to discover each other every day. Also, don't spend too much time with each other.
हाँ वो फिर shape होने लगते हैं सब एक दूसरे.
Tell me something. Do you ever play matchmaker with your friends? Do you ever try to get like two of your friends together?
No.
Do you ever say, "Acha, you know, this person will be a real good like match for another friend of mine"?
I've been through that.
It doesn't work out.
These folks, they listen to you. You waste your time on them, and then they eventually end up doing what they want.
That's true.
So the entire advice, the entire night gets wasted just because they never listen to you.
Right. So that means you don't even give any. You've been on a long haul relationship with your person.
Yeah.
It's not that people come to you for relationship advice or anything like that.
They do, but I've stopped giving.
Because they do.
Yeah,
They do
I've
their own
stopped
thing.
taking them seriously because I know they'll end up doing something which I wouldn't want them to do.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah.
It's like, why waste my time?
Yeah.
Why waste my energy?
Yeah. Earlier I used to be like, सुन.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे होता है,
बताता
तो
हूँ.
ऐसे
ऐसे
होता है,
कर, वैसे कर.
And the next day you see them doing something else only, and you're like,
Why did I waste my breath, my energy?
Yes.
Acha, since this segment is about, you know, the loves of your life.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to talk about one more love of your life.
Yeah.
Seafood.
Oof.
Oof. Oof.
है क्या इधर?
मंगाएंगे, उसमें क्या है? हम जहाँ हैं बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं आसपास.
Yeah.
तो मंगा सकते हैं. बताइए. What are your favorites? What is this love for seafood? Tell us a little bit about it.
See, my entire family, they despise seafood.
Okay.
They don't like because it's bland.
Yeah.
Seafood is bland.
Yeah, it can't be too
As simple.
spicy.
Yeah. But I don't know क्योंकि वो exotic है तो वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है खाने में क्योंकि उसमें मेहनत लगती है. Like
That's
if you
right.
you can't eat crab. You need those what do you call it?
Yes, you need the tools.
The tools,
Yes,
literally
yes,
tools.
yes.
Like you could
And
carry
even-
a toolbox with you to eat a crab.
Correct.
And
A
I
lot
love
of
that.
effort to get a little bit of.
Yes, exactly.
But वैसे I have a suggestion for your family who likes spicy food.
Yeah.
Feed them some nice spicy prawn curry.
Yeah.
Because seafood, मतलब Goan prawn curry can be nice and spicy.
Yeah, they are happy with the curries,
हाँ.
but they can't eat. Like they can't stand the smell and taste of prawn.
Right.
Yeah. But I eat everything. Everything edible I eat.
That's the kind of non-vegetarian to be.
Yeah.
You're speaking to a vegetarian, but I've been there. I used to be that. Okay, now since we're talking about all the loves of your life, there's one more love of your life, and that is when in doubt, sleep.
Oof.
Oof. Kitna sote ho? How much do you sleep? Like, what is your good night's sleep?
In the lockdown, there have been days when I've skipped a day. I slept on a Tuesday. I woke up on Thursday.
No.
Yeah. I came to my room. She asked me once, "Khana wana?" Marathi mein she asked, "Kuch khana hai?" I'm like, and then she went. Then I woke up the next day. I skipped a Wednesday in my life. I don't remember a Wednesday in my life. That's how much I love sleep because sleep right now in my life is a luxury. I don't get time to sleep because I'm thinking all the time. Dindora coming. It's been going on since 4 years now, and I am having sleepless nights.
So when you're getting sleep, you go for it.
I go for it, and people around me, I'm lucky enough they understand. They're like, "हाँ भाई सोता रहे."
But I'm just saying, you can add this also to your list of things you can do because I have never done a full day's sleep. I can sleep a lot. Like I've slept 15 hours once, 12 hours once, 14 hours once, but
Skip
an entire day. You've missed an entire Wednesday.
And I don't mind.
Of course not. It's a special ability.
Because I woke
We are
up,
discovering all your abilities one by one. what people know is one thing. What
Yeah.
we are discovering is another thing altogether.
Yeah.
We came to know a lot about Bhuvan's love life in this segment, his love for prawns, his love for sleeping. It's time now for a quick break. On the other side of the break, we'll ask Bhuvan about his strange, crazy fan moments, only on the Love Laugh Live show on the Times Network. Stay tuned. It's your first ever skydiving experience.
I landed. I passed out in the middle.
Do it again.
There's this guy who puts his arm around me. He's clicking picture. He's clicking a video. That video is there, and he's saying, "क्या नाम है?" And I'm like, मैं कहा तुझे नाम, if you don't know the name.
It's like, what's wrong with people? Welcome back to the fun train called the Love Laugh Live show. I'm here with Bhuvan Bam, India's first independent digital content creator to cross the 10 million mark. Woohoo! Let's dive into some history. Now, I'm given to understand you wanted to become an archaeologist. Was that like a
क्या सोच रहा था मैं?
क्या सोच रहे थे आप?
कितना पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है उसमें?
देखो.
And because of
पर
that,
वो thought था ना कि आप बनना चाहते हो.
All thanks to the geographic channels and discovery channels around the globe. कभी भी खोलो कुछ ना कुछ खुदाई चल रही है उसमें. And I'm like, this is so intriguing.
From so and so civilization.
And I'm like, अपन करेंगे ना कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा.
फिर direction change कैसे हो गया?
उसी वजह से I did. I studied commerce in 11th 12th in school. I studied commerce, but when I went to college, I took history.
Okay.
Just because of this.
Okay.
I thought I'll do archaeology. And then the
Talk
first
about waste of time. That is a waste of time.
Yeah, and when I started attending the classes, I realized कि नहीं ये तो नहीं है, archaeology तो यहाँ कहीं दूर दूर तक नहीं है. And then वो जो bubble था burst हो गया. Because there was no archaeology.
No.
And then I had to live with that for 3 years.
You stuck with history.
Yeah.
Oh dear. You've had some very interesting experiences in your life, and I understand there's a skydiving experience, your first ever skydiving experience.
That still gives me chills.
Yeah.
I can't forget. वो brand नहीं भूल सकता मैं, वो लोग नहीं भूल सकता मैं, and the way.
आप बड़े दुख के साथ बोल रहे हो. You're looking very sad while saying it.
I jumped twice from an airplane.
Alone both times?
Yeah.
Both times alone, not tandem.
No, with an instructor.
Yes.
But still, 15,000 feet.
Yes, I've done it. I know.
छलांग मार रहे 2 बार. Not because I had to jump the second time, because their cameras weren't turned on. They had done the entire check, everything.
That is.
And even I didn't care to ask them if it's on or not. I'm rehearsing my lines, no, because I have to jump and read out the top 10 news.
Oh wow.
That was a video. That was a brand video I had to do.
So cool though.
I landed. I passed out in the middle.
Because it was the first jump. The first jump is the scariest. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
He had to slap me to wake me up. And I was like, read. And he gave me the selfie stick. And then I had to read all the news. I landed. Just that camera was working.
Was not on.
Just that camera was working. The selfie stick.
Oh.
I had GoPros here. I had GoPros on my body.
Oh.
He had GoPros on his head. There were GoPros in the plane. None of them were turned on. And when I landed, I thanked God. I was like, I'm not going to.
अब ये दोबारा नहीं करना
I'm
पड़ेगा.
not going to do this ever again. And then I
And
went and they're like, चाउमीन खाएंगे? मैं खिलाइए चाउमीन खाइए. चाउमीन और लिम्का चल रहा है. And I'm eating and they're like, very casually, फिर से करते हैं फोन. हमने क्या करते हैं फिर से? I thought वो links wings कुछ देना होगा, the CTA and all. And I'm like, हाँ करते हैं. ठीक है आप गियर पहन लीजिए वापस. वापस क्यों पहनना गियर? करते हैं ना वापस ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं. Can no, you have to go again. And
Who
then
broke the news to you that the camera was not on?
Rohit. Where is he? He's around. So he told me, यार उनका कैमरा ऑन नहीं था, करना पड़ेगा. And I'm like, why? Why can't we just say no? क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा है मिनिमम 2 बार करना है.
ओ लिखा था.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ पे भी एक सेफ्टी क्लॉज था in case the cameras weren't on or in case it, oh my gosh.
And the entire suit, they were putting Moam on the zipper.
Why?
Because the zipper wasn't going up. And I was like, why are you making me do this? You don't have a new one.
Harrowing experience.
Harrowing experience.
Now, you have a way with the camera, you have a way with your phone. There's a certain way that you click selfies. Yeah, with your fans. So tell us about that. a certain way that you click your selfies with fans? Is there?
So I usually do it how they want it.
Is it?
Yeah, because when I click, I'm tall.
Yeah.
So the first thing people say that, how the are you so tall? And I'm like, I am tall. Like,
Because
nahi.
you only see me like this. That
Yeah,
doesn't mean
exactly.
I don't have height below.
Exactly.
Correct.
So I tell them, आपने यहाँ तक देखा है ना, वैसे मैं इतना ही लंबा ही हूँ मैं. तो कह रहे आप फिर फोटो लीजिए. So when I'm taking a selfie, so they're like, no, that's not my angle.
People say that to you?
Yeah.
How cheeky.
They're like, that's not my angle.
Haan.
So I put the camera mode on burst
Okay.
and I go ऊपर से नीचे. And I go खड़ 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 खड़.
So then everybody gets. So do you have an angle?
No, no, no.
Do you have like a favorite side?
No.
Nothing like that?
हर जगह से अजीब सा दिखता हूँ.
You're being modest. This has happened with me and I know it's happened with you also. People come up to you and say, चलो फोटो लेंगे please. और उसके बाद नाम पूछते हैं.
Oof.
Oof. Oof.
There was this event, I so vaguely remember this. There's a mob around because I've just gotten off the stage.
Yes.
There's this mob, they're clicking pictures. There's this guy who puts his arm around me. He's clicking a video.
हाँ.
That video is there and he's saying, क्या नाम है? And I'm like, मैं कहा तुझे नाम, if you don't know the name.
It's like, what's wrong with people?
He had a genius answer to this. He said, डाल दूंगा, कोई ना कोई तो बता ही देगा. I'm like, wow.
You know, people have audacity.
So witty. मतलब
Yeah, that's audacity. It's called like, नाम नहीं पता, डाल दूंगा.
कोई ना कोई बता ही देगा.
You're in my arms right now. I've got a picture with you. I've got my video with you.
कोई ना कोई तो बता ही देगा ना. I'm like, हाँ, nice है.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Now, I know that you have an amazing talent, another amazing talent. You've got so many amazing talents. Another one that you can bite your own toenails. Like you.
It's gross.
Come,
but
I'll do it with you. Come on.
Yeah, I can reach easily.
Show me, bite a toenail. Come, I'll also do it.
No, I can't.
Come on.
No, because I've eaten already.
All right, eaten?
Yes.
I was all set to join you.
No, I'm clean right now. It happens once in a month.
Acha, that's how you
Yeah,
keep
that's
your
how
nails.
yeah.
Acha, then there's another one I hear that ताली एक हाथ से बजाना आपको आता है कैसे?
हाँ, ये कहाँ लिखा है सब?
हाँ, सब है.
अरे,
हमारी जो research team है बहुत तगड़ी है.
So I think I can. But इससे ज़्यादा I can't do.
Do it again. Damn.
But हाँ, mic लगाना पड़ेगा तब जाके it will go.
नहीं, we can hear it.
Yeah.
It's there. I thought it was just like this, but I can't get. Wow. So is this like some different kind of movement that makes it happen?
It's weirdness.
You
It's my
practice
weirdness.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
जब बाथरूम की बाल्टी में वो गर्म पानी और ठंडा पानी मिक्स हो रहा होता है तब आप क्या करोगे?
हाँ, wait करो.
How do you kill time?
Kill time.
You explore
you
these
bite
talents.
your toenails.
Yeah.
At least get your shoe to your face. I want to see that.
I can get it पूरा है.
Make it go behind.
I was my yoga teacher's favorite student.
Chego, make it go behind.
Hmm?
Can you make it go behind?
So this is designers के कपड़े. ये अगर फट गए तो I'll have to pay for this.
ठीक है, you're off the hook. Otherwise, I really want to see you actually bite your toenails because if you're saying you can do it, I want to see you do it.
I mean, people who are watching this, उनमें से भी कुछ लोग होंगे who would bite. Please comment.
Now tell us about Dr. Sehgal and the inspiration behind Dr. Sehgal. There is a real Dr. Sehgal.
Yeah. His clinic was right next to my house. Like 2 houses on my left. Yes. And my father used to regularly visit him. One day he's writing down his prescription and he says balm. ये भुवन बाम कौन है? जानते हो आप? And my father being a proud father, he was like, अरे हाँ मेरा लड़का है, YouTube पे वीडियो बनाता है. बाम साहब मना कर दीजिए उसको. क्यों? कह रहे क्योंकि मैं जिनको क्लाइंट समझता हूँ कि हमारे क्लिनिक में जो लोग आ रहे हैं वो ये पूछने के लिए आ रहे हैं कि भुवन कहाँ रहता है. और उसने कुछ ऐसा मेरा वीडियो बनाया है and he has said something in that video, that one dialogue that people come and say this.
Oh.
And it gets so awkward for me, ये वो ऐसे ऐसे करके. And my father was like, okay, I'll call him. My father called me. He sat and it's the most awkward conversation ever.
So you went and met him?
Yeah, I met him and he was like, beta, don't do this.
Oh.
And I'm like, uncle, I have changed the spelling of your name.
Yes.
But people are finding it. because people know that I live in this area.
But there are other Dr. Sehgals. It's like...
No, but people know that I live in this area,
Ah.
and there is this Dr. Sehgal right next to my house.
So, Bhuvan, two more questions, but they're not for you. One is for Sameer. How will Sameer react to कितना कमा लेते हो?
Okay. क्या पूछा आपने? क्या पूछा?
कितना कमा लेते हो?
ये जवाब आपको मेरी वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा. वो वेबसाइट का नाम है अपने काम से काम रखो.com.
I love it. And we have one question for Titu Mama. When Titu Mama's asked कि सब्सक्राइबर कैसे बढ़ाएंगे?
तो मंदिरा जी, ये बड़ा पेचीदा सवाल है. सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ाने के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. जिन लोगों को ये सवाल है कि सब्सक्राइबर कैसे बढ़ते हैं, पहले तो भीख मांगना बंद करो. जिसको पसंद है वो देखेगा, जिसको नहीं वो नहीं देखेगा. बढ़िया काम करो, सब्सक्राइबर कमाओ.
Very nice. God, you transport me to another person altogether. Beautiful. Okay, so we sure went on a bit of a laughing spree in that segment, and now I need a break. We need a break. On the other side, we'll dig deep into Bhuvan's life and talk about his ever-growing career on the Love, Laugh, Live show, only on the Times Network. Now you also have a Filmfare Award.
People voted for me, and I'm so thankful to each one of them that they made me stand on that stage. But I think that no.
What was the most memorable meeting of?
Undoubtedly, Shah Rukh sir.
Yeah?
Yeah, I met him thrice, and all three times he has acknowledged me. He has loved me the same way, much more than before.
Hello and welcome back to the show that touches millions of lives, millions of hearts, the Love, Laugh, Live show. I'm here with Bhuvan Bam, all ready to set foot into his life once again and know more about it. Now, a little while ago, you once put on social media in Udaipur tomorrow, and suddenly 20,000 people landed up at the event that you were headed for. Does that make you feel like, wow, I've come quite far?
I mean, it's scary. It's scary how one thing can lead to this.
Yeah.
How one single line. I just said Udaipur tomorrow. I didn't even mention where.
But they found out.
They found out. I mean, scary.
It's scary, but also nice.
It's nice, but
See, there's two sides to every coin.
if I talk about myself, I generally, when I realized there are so many people, there's this video on YouTube in which you can see that the escalators have been shut. People are standing on that. Third floor pe I can see people who are on this side of the railing.
Yeah, that is scary. In
A
case
small
somebody...
push,
yeah.
small push
Yeah.
in that.
Yeah.
in
When a
that
place is
space.
not ready for those kind of crowds and something like that
Exactly.
happens, that is frightening. And then
And
you
then-
don't want to be the person responsible for something
Exactly.
like
So
this.
I had to be there for 45
Yeah.
minutes, an hour or so. I had to come out in 10, 15 minutes.
Because it was out of control.
Because someone came to me and spoke to me in my ear that please
Leave.
Please
It's
leave
safer.
as soon as possible, because that railing, it can't handle so many people. That particular section is not that strong to hold so many people. Please run. And then we ran. That's scary.
That is scary.
And then you feel responsible. What if something goes wrong here?
You said that, more than wanting things or buying expensive things, you wanted to meet people. You wanted to meet people you idolize.
Yeah.
You must have met a lot of your idols
Yeah.
already. Is there anybody left that you'd still like to meet, that you'd still like to, come face to face with?
I always wanted to meet Kader Khan Saab because I'm a massive fan of his writing. We have all seen him act.
Yes.
And he's a wonderful actor.
Yes.
But the way the films that he has written and the trio of him, Govinda and Johnny Lever, all those movies I've grown up watching, and those movies have influenced my style of humor.
Yeah.
That's the kind of humor that I like. Kader Khan Saab, to nahi, but Johnny Lever sir, I really, I wish I could meet him one day.
You haven't met him yet?
No. I wish one
I
day.
can orchestrate that. I'm going to make it happen for you.
इसीलिए तो आया हूँ show.
No, but that's amazing. Wow. But you met a lot of your idols.
Yeah.
What was the most memorable meeting of?
Undoubtedly, Shah Rukh sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I met him thrice, and all 3 times he has acknowledged me. He has loved me the same way, much more than before. And it's so heartwarming to see a guy like him treat a newbie like this. I mean, that's why he's Shah Rukh Khan.
That's true. Now, so you're a real film buff, and now you also have a Filmfare Award. To your credit, dude.
I have a different take on this.
Give me that take.
I mean, it's a good thing. It's a nice. The profile looks good. I'll be very honest that I have a Filmfare Award in my bag.
You can't have another take to this. That's
but-
great.
no,
Stop there.
But it was a public choice award, so people voted for me, and I was in that category where Nasir sir's movie was there. There were plenty of amazing movies, but people voted for me, and I'm so thankful to each one of them that they made me stand
One
on that,
second.
on that stage. But I think that no.
That's very modest of you, but just 1 second. It's Filmfare's awards.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
they constituted these awards.
Yeah.
They created a People's Choice Award. People voted for you, but it was a Filmfare Award, right?
Yeah.
It's come to you.
I know.
Yay! I'm going to feel happy for you.
I know. I'm happy. But
I understand what you're
I
saying.
mean, yeah. Haan,
It's nice that you have a take like this, but plus minus.
It'll always be
Plus
very-
minus, आपको award मिल गया ना?
मिला हाँ वो नलीफाई हो जाता फिर प्लस माइनस नलीफाई हो जाता बट या दैट मूवी केम फ्रॉम एवरीवन्स हार्ट वो मूवी वो शॉर्ट फिल्म करने के बाद व्हेन यू गेट इनटू द लाइफ ऑफ सरदार हरभजन सिंह एंड देन यू विन such an award for this, it feels nice.
Yes.
But I always have a but for
Why
this.
are they always buts?
Because it was a public choice award. No.
There should be bums, but there shouldn't be butts.
Yes. But I'm happy.
Very often, there are all these critics' choice awards happen because people have not voted for them.
Yeah.
So you get people's love, and I think that is an award in itself, right?
Yes.
Now, last year was tough, but after a lot of patience and hope, light showed up again, gleaming on all the little wonderful moments that make life worth it. Things are getting back to normal, and we are lighting up new beginnings. Shoots are back, theatres have started functioning, the world is ready for new beginnings. We Indians gear up and get all excited to celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights and positivity. Okay, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions related to our festival of lights. It does sound like the glow of gold for golden beginnings. Do you remember a moment where you felt, yes, in this last little while, with the lockdown and everything, yes, maybe life will resume and go back to normal? Because we all know that you're a lot of hope for a lot of people. People like watching you, people get entertained by you. And these were testing times. So did you feel that I see light at the end of the tunnel, I see things going back to normal?
There's always light at the end of the tunnel.
Yes.
I mean, it's been a dark year for me, but I see there's a light somewhere. Still figuring out where,
Yes.
but I'm walking.
Bhuvan, know this, there always is light at the end of the tunnel.
Yes.
And we are blessed to have work, and that's what keeps us going.
Exactly.
But we all have to forge ahead and look for that light. So how do you light up your new beginnings?
I share it with the people who are the closest to me.
Nice.
I go and personally tell them. I don't call them to my place. I go to their houses. I gather them in their different houses.
That's very nice.
And I tell them this. Because their mom, dads are there.
Yes.
It's an entire family. So I feel like it's my family that I'm talking to. And that's how I share everything with them.
When you share joy, it's multiplied.
Yes.
Manyfold. Now, is Dindora a Diwali gift for your fans?
It is a very how do I put this? It's like a chunk of my heart that I'm putting out for the people to accept, and it's a Diwali gift. I won't suggest you to watch it with your family, but please ask them to watch it individually.
Separately,
yeah. साथ देखो लेकिन अलग अलग बैठ के.
Okay, will you go out to see your friends over this Diwali? Will it be a face-to-face or video call wali Diwali?
Face to face.
Face-to-face. अब face-to-face हो रहा है ना
अब तो
सब
face to
कुछ.
face हो रहा है.
Now tell me, what is the one thing you like most about Diwali?
Food.
Food?
And how different buildings are lit up.
That's so
Like
beautiful.
every building is lit up differently.
Every building has a Diwali spirit.
That's
has
how
a Diwali joy.
Exactly. That's how you know that there's an artist everywhere. Everyone has their own sense of art. That's how I'll put my lights. That's how I put my lights. And it's a wonderful combination.
It is. It really is. Okay. So, in the spirit of new beginnings, we have for you the Oppo Reno 6 Pro Diwali edition in this majestic gold color.
Thank you so much.
Do you enjoy it?
Thank you. Wow.
So that was a very emotional and inspiring sort of take on life. But we're not done here. We still have our last segment to go where we'll talk about Bhuvan's beautiful hair. We're going to take a short break on the Love, Laugh, Live show only on the Times Network. Please stay tuned.
I just think कि everything 19-20 चलेगा, बाल 20 होने चाहिए.
बाल 20 होने
हाँ,
चाहिए.
बाल है तो जहान है मेरे हिसाब से.
Welcome back, everyone, to the Love, Laugh, Live show. I'm here with Bhuvan Bam, and we have something in store for this last segment of today's episode. So, you look different in so many of your characters. You wear wigs, you have different looks. But constantly as yourself, do you have pressure to, do you ever feel pressure to look good?
I'm actually wearing a wig right now. अरे
Really?
हाँ सच्ची.
I'm going to pull it. Don't put it past me. I chew my toenails.
Oh yes.
I'm going to pull it.
Oh yeah.
No, but you're always well turned out and, well groomed whenever we see you. But do you feel that pressure to look good at all times?
No. I just think कि everything 19-20 चलेगा, बाल 20 होने चाहिए.
बाल 20 होने
हाँ,
चाहिए.
बाल है तो जहान है मेरे हिसाब से. क्योंकि even like before getting a haircut, I have to explain it to the barber. Listen, ये लेंथ इतना सा इतना नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना 19 लोगों का मेरे साथ इतना हो जाएगा बाल.
अच्छा.
I have to maintain a specific length so that I can tie a pony.
Yes.
So that a wig can settle.
Correct.
And I can have the desired length as well. I think it's a constant. Like I'm very very particular about my hair.
बाल 20 होने चाहिए.
बाल 20 होने चाहिए.
Okay, so, in the last season of Love, Laugh, Live show, because lockdown was on-ish, half on, that was a question I would open the show with, saying a lot of people acquired new skills during this last 1.5 years. Is there any new skill that you acquired?
I think lockdown to me has been quite a, how do you call it? It's a boon for me because I've watched so many movies, so many web shows that I wouldn't have otherwise.
It's a time of actually learning, and it's a time of sort of absorbing, and you did a lot of that.
And when you start watching cinema, there's watching movies and then watching cinema. I grew fond of the cinema side of it.
Right.
And that's how the lockdown kept me busy.
Okay. And how do you keep your beard so perfectly manicured and groomed?
Out of all my friends, the shabbiest beard award should go to me.
ऐसे मत.
Everyone is like कि बाम दाढ़ी देख ले, बाल तो तू देखता ही है, तू दाढ़ी देख ले. And दाढ़ी is something which I don't like shaving. मतलब I've never seen like a full blown beard on my face.
Well, here's the thing, to keep your beard so, well, I think it's groomed and stylish. You're saying your friends are more groomed and stylish as far as beards are concerned than you are. But you seem very stylish to me. And to keep up the good work, we have a beard trimmer from Philips.
Thank you.
To sort of keep you going and keep your beard the length you want it.
Wow.
Maybe after using this, your friends will say, "Kya baat hai, Bam."
देख रहे हो?
हाँ बड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट आ गया है Bhuvan, I have to tell you, this meeting you, having you here for this episode, it's just been really amazing. Really amazing. I have enjoyed every minute of this interview. I really enjoyed having you here, talking to you, spending this last little while with you, this couple of hours with you. Thank you.
Thank you, and it's probably the best conversation I've had in a while. And abhi camera cut tha, so I told Mandira how much I adore her. And big fan, and I'm so happy to be.
Thank you, Bhuvan. And since this is the gift-giving segment, we have another nice gift for you from Carrera sunglasses. Since you're all about glasses,
Yeah.
you're all about like a sharp beard. I think it's a sharp beard. We've sort of got you covered.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best for Dindora. I know it's going to be a super success because this is what your fans love, and you've just taken it to the next level, and it's going to be amazing. And I wish you all the very best from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Last year has been a ride for all of us, and all of us can do with some love and warm wishes. So Bhuvan today will record a special Diwali greeting for his fans using the Oppo Reno 6 Pro Diwali edition in the majestic gold color. So Bhuvan, with your permission, let's spread some festive cheer to your fans.
तो जितने भी दर्शक ये देख रहे हैं, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभ दीपावली। आप अपने परिवार के साथ रहिए, अपने घरों में रहिए, मीठा खाइए और दोस्तों से मिलिए। अपने एरिया के जितने पशु पक्षी हैं सबका ध्यान रखिए। हैप्पी दिवाली।